have been waiting several hours to get back inside my house while being in the freezing cold. I'm nearly having frostbite. Literally so cold. So cold. And my look. Well, perfect. Excuse me. Yeah. Where you at height? It's like 33 degrees below zero. I'm here because I was kicked out of my house. What? Any conditions like this, people can't be kicked out of their houses. I know, but the door's locked, so I'll be here for a while. Let me show you this place, the secret place. Follow me. Okay. Hey, who are you? Shelko, part of the Mystery Solvers. Isn't that like ACSI? No, that's the animal crime scene iguanas. I thought it was investigators. No, the founders were iguanas. Oh. Okay. Now come on. So 3 miles we were walking. Hey, how come you're not cold? Hey, I'm a turtle. I don't get cold. Actually, the truth is I don't get cold easily. It has to be like 100 degrees below zero for me to get cold. I'm just a little cold. Not that much. You people are so... People have no idea what cold is. Hey. Really? We've only been walking 3 miles without stopping. Fine, then I guess we could take a break. Wait a minute, we're already there. What? I see we're already there. Okay. Where's this place? Up there. See, nice clouds and skies. Oh, this place is nice here. And it's totally warm. But how come it looks this way when it's winter time? Don't ask a question you don't really care for the answer. It's warm here, so just like it. I'm gonna be going. Okay. I feel so warm and cozy. See. There's a coat right here. Smoke a blanket here. I guess I'll use it. I'm too tired to move. Oh. 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 3 hours later. I guess I'm ready to move. I'm getting sick, tired. I feel sick already. But I have to keep on going. Wait a minute, I'm a bird. Why can't I fly? Alright, and good. Okay, good. Stop flying. I can only fly that much high. Let me try again. Wait. Hey, look, I'm flying. Oh. Gotta keep on going. Back. I can't get home. I'm almost home. Almost. But not quite. Hey, there's a place right over here. Hungry. I'm cold. I'm tired. Can my life get worse? I'm not so tired anymore. Or cold. But I'm still hungry. And this is wet. Wet. Oh. I'll just take a nap. 2 hours later. I'm wet as ever. I don't try to go on. I've actually done it. I did it! Yes! I'm unstoppable! Oh my gosh! There's a cliff! I can't... and it's so far below. What am I supposed to do now?